Go.
Twirl spoon! Hold on, don't do this. I don't. No.
Where are you?
This is a twirl spoon.
Show me. Oh, because it has a twirl at the top?
Yes.
Why don't... Zach, what don't you like about that?
Right here. Who doesn't like it?
Go get her some peanut butter.
Yeah. Look!
What? What are you going to show me?
Doo-doo-doo bugs.
Oh, you have doo-doo-doo bugs? Did you catch those at the school yesterday?
Doo-doo-doo bugs. Look, what are these doo-doo-doo bugs? That's the doo-doo-doo right here.
I see it.